Kamusta? This is your guru, Kaira. Okay, for today, the topic for today is called Bakit? Bakit? It's a question. It means why. Bakit means why. Think of ba from the back. You know, like your back. Just get the BA and then the kit from the kitty. I meant a cat. You know, a kitty. 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 It's like a small cat, right? Kitty. Yes. Just get the kit from there. Then add ba on the front. Bakit? Can you say it now? It means why. It's a question. Yes, it is a question. For example, your friend invited you to his house. Of course you would ask, why? You would say, bakit? It means why. Why? And then he would say the reason. Of course, to play, right? Or maybe to just hang out. To hang out at his house together. Like play, stuff, and yeah, just hang out. So, when you're asked, you can also ask back, right? Why? Wait. Yeah, I think you can, when you ask, of course you would ask why. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Since in some questions you need clarity, the reason why. So yeah, sometimes say why to a question like bakit. It's a Filipino why. Bakit means why. Bakit. 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 Yeah, just think of bak and kitty. Like ba and kit. Bakit? Yeah, this is your sensei. I mean, yeah, your guru. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, peace.